Someone's got the hiccups right now. It's this girl. She got the hiccups. That's okay. See, that's normal. Check out my outfit. Look at this. It's cute. That's a summer outfit, but we made it work, didn't we? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Oh. Ah. Oh. What was that? Can we figure that one out? You're kind of sick of hiccups? Yeah. Oh. What? Maddie, can you sing a song? Do you want to sing a song? Ah, no? You just want to stand? Ah. You can't be tired already. You haven't really been up. Oh. Oh, man, I gave you freaking crazy hair. Oh, you're not even wanting to stand up. Oh. Oh. Look at those gums. Ooh. You're sick of the hiccups? I understand. Uh-huh. I know, they're not fun. They're not fun one bit. Mm. Tell them how you don't like the hiccups. You don't like the hiccups. No. Oh, Maddie. Oh, we'll get rid of those hiccups.